Yeah, my name is Oliver Maher. I'm coming from Oakland, California, originally from Ireland. And I was suffering for a fistula for 9 years. I had 2 failed surgeries. Last one was in February of this year, 2024. And I was looking for a place to get healed, and so I did a lot of research and found Dr. Porwal on the internet, YouTube, watched the videos, and I was looking for a place I could come and get healed. And I decided to take the chance, travel to India, and go through the process to see if I can get healed. And I was surprised and impressed about the clinic, the facility. It's a modern facility with excellent doctors. Dr. Porwal is the lead in this field. He developed this laser procedure, DLPL, and I was here on a Saturday. He diagnosed me within 5 minutes, honestly, with his imaging machine. On Monday, I had the surgery, recovery. When I woke up, I had almost no pain. I couldn't believe it after all these years. No pain, and I stayed here for a couple of days. I was sent to the hotel, and I immediately started my recovery. I spent 14 weeks here, and I've had an army of doctors taking care of me, constantly contacting me, making sure I'm okay, treating me. There were follow-up procedures 2 to 3 times a week. They do cleanings, and I did all the procedures. They give you exercises to do to help the healing. I did that. Sit baths, twice a day. I did those. I followed all his instructions, and 14 weeks now, and I'm completely healed. I'm going back in the morning, back to San Francisco, and my life has changed. My life with the fistula was just horrible. I was in constant pain, and I discharged, and now I'm healed and ready to start my new life, and I'm just incredibly happy. And if you would like to get your fistula healed and have it done right the first time, please come to Pune and see Dr. Porwal. He's an amazing surgeon, and he will take care of you like you're his family. So